this idea was brought to me from one of my mentors, which is great because, and actually, last year we went on a camping trip, and it was rather interesting that my family, it was 4 of us, that we went away on a camping trip for 6 days, 7 days, and we took less gear than some troops that are out there that go away for 2 days. So this is a great opportunity that he showed me for the patrol. So my son and I were discussing it and getting back to the basics of putting together patrol boxes and little patrol kits and first aid kits and stuff like that to get everything going. So I'm going to show you what I have here, but your troop, your desires, whatever you have is suited for your needs. So here we go. This is Folgers, large size, 1 pound size coffee thing, reusable, it's plastic. And what I have here, I have muslin cotton on the top. This is just in case you need it. But again, if you have a neckerchief or you have a shemagh, you're good to go. So pop this open, and on the lid, as you can see, you have a sewing kit. So it provides some super glue, some safety pins, I have a needle, and we also have some dental floss. Believe it or not, a lot of people do not realize the multiple uses that dental floss carries. As I open this up, that's something for, I have a wrap for your leg. Even though it's a cheap light, but it's a light that's there, so you have some sort of illumination that's here. You have a fire kit, and what I have in my fire kit, or any patrol fire kit, is something that's based on how I utilize it. So I have a lighter, I have matches, I have a made spark light made from a lighter, I have some cotton and wax, and I also have a striker in the back. And if I ever wanted to, I could also char cotton in this tin as well. We provided a knife, a little folding knife, a little multi-tool, and of course a roll of Gorilla Tape, which serves several purposes. You can even make containers using Gorilla Tape as well, and this is a roll of 1 inch. I forgot how many yards it is, but it's more than enough to do what you need to do. You can reach in and grab this. This is a comprehensive first aid kit. It provides wraps, it provides the hand gel, gloves, band-aids, and believe it or not, what I like to pack in there for dressings, and a lot of people don't look at this, and it's underused thing, are maxi pads, because maxi pads, if you have a big cut or something like that, it does soak up blood. So ask your mom first before, or your wife first, before you grab them. I have a roll of jute twine just for little basic projects that you have that you don't want to use paracord for. The chem light. I have some rolls of aluminum foil for cooking, for any other kind of things that you need to wrap, and a 55-gallon contractor bag that this is multi-use. It could be used for a poncho, could be used for cover, could be used for ground cover. Multiple uses, grabbing water, whatever you need, multiple uses. There are videos out there on why to carry what it is. Some zip ties. Now, I'm not going to pull it out, but I have 50 feet of paracord in there. So 50 feet, and if you take that, and if you need to utilize more than that, you can get 8 times the amount of that just by cutting the paracord and pulling the insides out. So that's a comprehensive for what our patrol needs. My son went ahead and put it on there. It's for the ice dragon patrol of our troop. They can just reach in and grab it. And this way, the troop does not have to bring these huge medical kits and a lot of these other things for the youth to use. So this is another idea. It's a big rock or interest topic for people. Other than that, everybody have a good one. Carpe diem. Attitude does reflect leadership, and I'll talk to you all soon. Have a good one.